Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a clickable Instagram link to your YouTube video description. Let's get started. What you want to do is first go to YouTube and make sure you're logged in. Then go ahead and click on your channel icon. Next, navigate to YouTube Studio. Once you're in your studio, go to Content on the left-hand side. Now you're in the Content section where you'll see all of your YouTube videos listed. From here, choose the video to which you want to add a link. Let's say we want to add a link to this one here. If you then go ahead and click on Details, it will then take you inside the video details page where you can now add links to your description. Let's say I want to link my Instagram profile. I will write, "Follow me on Instagram." Now I need to grab my Instagram link. So if I go to my profile, you can see here's the link to Instagram. So if I copy this, I can then go back to the YouTube video and paste it in. Now, with links, you always want to have https:// at the start. Otherwise, it won't be clickable. I'll show you what I mean here. So I'll link instagram.com in one line, and I'll add the full link in the next line, starting with https://. Let's click Save, just so I can show you the difference here. Now, if we go ahead and view this video, you can see here without https://. The link isn't clickable. It's not highlighted blue, but with https:// at the start, we can click on this, and it's going to redirect, in this case, to my Instagram profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.